studio units. So wala tayong two-bedroom na condo tendering. Only one bedroom and studio units. So La Mirada offers you new levels of comfort, contentment, and luxury. First, we have the swimming pools. Once you rent with a condo house in La Mirada, you are automatically free. We have our world-class our world-class beach resort and the magnificent view of Mactan's gem shoreline. And lastly, surrounding seas and shores, great for island hopping and water sports activities, as well as for diving. So this is the view that you will see on top of La Mirada. So these pictures are not edited; they are actual pictures from the camera. So if you can see the shoreline of Mactan, so this on the other side. This one is facing Shangri-La. So as you can see, this is Shangri-La over here, and this is Movenpick. And the front view. So for the yes, as what I've been telling you a while ago, there are only 40 units, of which 18 are one bedroom and 22 are studio units. So this is the floor layout of our studio rooms. So our sizes for our studio rooms ranges from 37.26 to 40.96 square meters. And for our one-bedroom unit, it's 54.26 to 55.31 square meters. So I can give you the exact areas already since our titles are already available. So ano tayo problema sa mga titulo, kaya i-release na siya. Specific na ang ato i-reflect direct sa prices. So anay add-on, wala na minus. So for our property management, our property management team ensures you of utmost confidence and peace of mind of your condotel investment, offering world-class hotel service from our hotelier experts, Soto Grande Incorporated. Now you might be wondering, who is Soto Grande Incorporated? So Soto Grande Incorporated is the